Hey everyone, welcome to Small Biz Forum, where we break down business topics into simple steps for small business owners. I'm your host, Bill Gallagher, President of CFG Merchant Solutions. Today, let's break down how to understand your business credit score and what funders such as CFG Merchant Solutions look for when you apply for financing. Let's get into it. Step 1. Know what a business credit score is. A business credit score ranges from 0 to 1,000 and shows how trustworthy your business is when it comes to repaying money. The higher the score, the lower the risk your business is considered. Step 2. Keep an eye on your score. You can check your business credit through various providers. Make this a regular habit, just like checking your personal credit. Step 3. Understand what impacts your score. Here's what makes up your business credit score. Payment history. On-time payments build trust. Credit utilization. Using too much credit, that hurts. Business age. Older businesses usually score higher. Public records, bankruptcies, liens, or judgments lower your score. Industry risk. Some industries are viewed as higher risk than others, so do some research to find out how risky your industry is. Step 4. Know what funders actually look for. Now here's the important part. Your credit score isn't everything. Although funders like CFG Merchant Solutions do look at your business credit score, they also look at the bigger picture, unlike traditional bank loans. They look at things like monthly business revenue, time in business, recent cash flow trends, and your business type and industry. Step 5. Improve your score over time. Now that you know your business credit score, do you want to raise your score and boost your chances of approval? Well, here's how. Pay bills early or on time every time. Keep credit balances low. Avoid opening too many new credit lines. Separate your business and personal finances. And ask vendors to report your payments to credit bureaus. This brings us to our last step. Step 6. Be prepared before you apply. Before you apply for financing, especially with companies like CFG Merchant Solutions, have your documents ready. These documents include revenue reports, recent bank statements, and your EIN. If you want to learn how to apply for an EIN, check out our How to File an EIN video next. Even if your credit isn't perfect, the right funder will still look at your real business potential when making a decision to fund your business or not. If this topic was helpful, give us a like, share to a fellow entrepreneur, and don't forget to subscribe to continue learning how to grow your business. And if you're exploring funding, check out cfgmerchantsolutions.com for flexible funding options for small to mid-sized businesses in mind. Thanks for watching Small Biz Forum, and I'll see you next time.